So now he parked in the middle of the street. This guy's trying to dig himself a parking spot. And he's making headway too. Snowplow coming done. And he's blocking traffic. What a dummy. And now my man's like, yo, what are you doing? See, if I was him, I'd bark on him. Because he's burying my car up. Confrontation. He's thinking what to do. Snowplow came through. Now this guy's throwing more snow where my car is going. What to do, what to do, what to do. Well, I guess he said to hell with it. I would too. Oh, I think he's making a break for it. Gotta go. See you later. Should throw some snow in his car. Only in Brooklyn. You take off while you can, buddy. Dang, even the man room is messed up. What are you doing? Are you serious? Oh, you're purposely gonna... This fool just got himself stuck. Now he's getting out again.